So hey guys, I'm more excited to let you know that PayingBee has been launched on 16 July, and today I'm just quick review about what is PayingBee and how PayingBee become money making machine for you. So before we start the review, if you are in a hurry, my purchasable link plus my premium bonuses is waiting for you in the description box so you can check it out. So PayingBee is a cloud-based app that allows you to just that earn money for finding grammar and spelling mistakes. This is a great way to make some extra cash in your life. With PayingBee, you can earn cash for finding grammar and spelling mistakes in other people's writing. Like other people create some articles, blogs. So you just read their blogs and articles and just catch their grammatical mistakes and earn some money. You can simply open the app and start scanning articles, books, emails, or whatever else you want to read. You come across in your daily life. You simply open the app and start scanning articles, books, emails, or whatever else you come across in your daily life. You just read it, and each mistake you find, you will earn a few cents and only takes a minute or two scan piece of writing. So yeah, that's right. You can earn an average of $2 for each grammar mistakes and spelling mistakes you can spot, and all you need is a sharp eye, and that's it. So if we talk about their sales page, though they had commit that they will pay you $30 for every page of English you read. So if we come down below, they are commit that they have paid millions of dollars with PayingBee in the past 14 days to other people. So they have already paid millions of dollars to the users, and members getting paid to read and fix spelling and grammar errors with our AI software. And yeah, this is 100% never seen before method. If you're talking about me, so I have also never seen that type of earning method, or we can say earning source. I have never seen this method before, and they commit that they will pay you instant payments directly to your PayPal account, and all the work is done for us by the automation app. No experience needed whatsoever. All you need, just you have to know English language and you have some fluency in English and some knowledge about English, so that you can correct some mistakes or grammatical mistakes. That's all about, and so easy, even non-native English can do it. So yeah, that's it. And they will also provide you 30 days money back guarantee. So if we come down below, we can see that the whole process can be done in just 2 clicks. All you need to do, just click one is read documents. You just need to read documents, articles, whatever you want to read. They use AI powered softwares to automatically read documents and spot any grammar or spelling errors. So here you can see some testimonials, and this user has been paid $345 yesterday. So as you can see, and click 2 is already you can get paid. About this software, you can withdraw your money through your PayPal account. You can use this software anywhere in the world, and you can earn money anywhere in the world. So yeah, that's all about PayingBee review. Just register yourself in this software and spot those errors and start earning. So in order to purchase this software, you have to just pay one-time cost, which is $17. I have pasted my purchasable link in the description box. If you've done any purchase through me, I'll also provide you my premium bonuses, which is very wonderful for you. So yeah, that's a very best offer. You can get it out. You can just get it. This is very small amount to invest there. This is just $17. So you can get this. If you don't like this software, you can get your money back, because they will provide you 30 days money back guaranteed as well. If you don't feeling well with this software and not making money as much as well, so you can get your money back in under 30 days. So that's a very wonderful offer. Just get it out. My purchasable link in the description box, and I'll catch you in the next review. Thanks for watching.